Okay, right now I'm working on this lawnmower right here. It's your peak. It comes with gas and LP. Um, it can burn. It has the 50 amp 220, the 30 amp 220, a 30 amp 120, and then a GFI duplex. You have all your resets up here. You got a timer on it. This one has 1 hour time on it. The resets, everything. Your start, it is an automatic start, so you got that. Came with the battery. You have the switch you turn on to your gas or LP. The battery's already here hooked up. It's got good oil in it. It's a plastic tire, pretty cheap tire. It's the only problem I see with it. It's a metal tank with the gauge on it, 8-gallon tank. The muffler, a pretty good muffler, and shows you your LP. The engine is a Honda clone engine on it. It is the 439cc. Your air filter is, the box is plastic. I don't really care for the plastic, but if you look at this wheel, right, it's a little bit cocked. So that's the only flaw I see with it. Well, the owner got it for $600. He knows somebody who sells them for $600, and he actually bought 2 of them from the guy. So he wanted me, because the only thing he did not have on it is right there. It does not have a shut-off valve. So he wanted a shut-off valve installed, and it has the filter on the top, the little strainer. I told him he might as well put on a filter if he's going through, because I consider this a shut-off, but he just wants to make sure that there's no fuel in the carburetor when he shuts down. He doesn't want anything inside here when he shut it down for the winter or whenever he's not using it. So the first thing we'll have to do is disconnect the line and catch all the fuel, because I think it has about a half gallon in it, and then start getting ready to put this on and put the line back on. The line might be a little tight, but he did not want to change out the line, so it might be better if we add the filter, and that'll make the line longer. All right, so we go ahead and start. All right, so I got the little plug out. It's an odd size, so I just had to get it out with a 12, but it's not a tight fit. And just put the funnel right there. It's just gonna catch everything and dump it out in here. So I'll be back to put on the new one. Oh, the part number for it is that right there. That's the petcock shut-off valve. And filters, I mean, you can use any kind of filter. You can use a lawnmower filter, any type of filter, if you add in a filter. But that's it. Well, she's almost done. It looked like a little less than a half gallon. I just put some of that thread sealer on it. You don't have to, because it has a rubber gasket, but that's a thread sealer I use right there, Blue Magic. And then you just screw it in by hand. Don't forget, don't over tighten it, because if it breaks, you'll be using an easy out and probably get into a lot of problems. Okay, I got everything back together. The shut-off valve, the filters back here somewhere. Yeah, filter's right back there. Let me turn it in the on position. It'll probably take a little while to get to down here. Turn this in fuel. I got it in a tilt because there wasn't a whole lot of fuel in there. Oh yeah, hit the choke. Let's see. Runs good. Got a little green light. I'm just basically starting it, make sure that there's no leaks. So if there's any leaks, I can take care of it before it leaves. Okay, everything was good on this, and I'm just doing the next one right now. But I forgot to mention the arrow on this. I don't know if you can see it, but it's going towards, it's coming from the small end to the large end. So just make sure you're putting the gas tank on that side and wherever it's going on this side. That's it.